Okay, guys, so I'm going to show you guys a little thing about force over here. So here we have a balloon. Now this balloon does not want to change its shape. I told you actually force can change the shape of objects if they are flexible. Flexible means that you can change their shape easily. So force can indeed change the shape and the size of an object. So I'm going to use force to blow up this balloon right now. Watch. Okay, so the balloon has been blown up. But now I am going to show you Newton's second and third law. Newton's first law, I just showed you the balloon wanted to stay the way it was until you put a force on it. So the first law is the law of inertia, and that means that things like to stay at rest or moving in a straight line at a constant speed unless acted on by an outside unbalanced force. There's lots of words. Just means things like to stay the way they are unless you put a force on them. Okay, so I changed this, I put a force on it. That's Newton's first law. Newton's second law is the speed, the change of speed, the acceleration with which things move for the same force will be more if the mass, that's my little boy, if the mass is low. Yeah, we'll do the balloon now. Okay, let's do the balloon. Let me show you Newton's third law. Okay, so here's the balloon. I'm going to let the balloon go. Little Bean's balloon. Okay, in a second I'll give you a balloon, my boy. Okay, watch the balloon. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Okay, so you couldn't see that very well, but the good news is I'll do it again at our class, our live class on Friday in science class. And maybe you'll see it a little bit better, but it's something you can try at home. The reason why the balloon moves is because the air goes out, and as the air pushes out, the outside pushes on the balloon. For every force, there is an equal and opposite force. Okay, so the force of the balloon on the air is matched by the force of the air on the balloon. Okay, so that's what happens. As the air pushes out, okay, that pushing out pushes back on the balloon. The air that goes out pushes back on the balloon, and the balloon moves like a rocket. That's Newton's third law. Everything you push pushes back on you equally. And the reason why the balloon moves around is because the mass of all of that air pushing on the balloon is enough to accelerate the balloon. So we'll do that again in class, okay?